Hey, how's it guys? In this lesson, we're going to learn how to use dbt doc command to generate documentation in dbt. So the dbt docs command is responsible for generating and hosting documentation for your dbt project. Right, so on your terminal, if you run the dbt docs generate command, enter. So three things are going to happen. Now let's wait until the documentation is generated. Right, so if I go into the target folder, now three things are going to happen. First, this index.html file is going to get created. The index.html file is the documentation template to present your model in more details. And second, this catalog.json file is going to get created as well. The catalog.json file contains the metadata about your models. And the third thing is this manifest.json file is going to get updated. Now, if I try to open this index.html file, and you're going to see this here, the dbt docs side may not work as expected because this file cannot be found. And the issue here is since the HTML file cannot locate the manifest file, so let me close this first. Instead, we need to use the serve subcommand to launch the documentation. All right, so in the terminal, I need to type dbt docs followed by the serve subcommand and enter. Right, so this time on my browser, so it's going to be the documentation. Now, if we look at the project tab, so here's the information about my models for this dbt project. And I can also click on this database tab to view the tables. Actually, not tables, to view the models that I created in this dbt project. So for this project, I have three models, customers and two staging models. Now, if we look at this customers model, on the right hand side is going to give you a very detailed information when it comes to this customers model. If we look at the details section, we have information such as when the model was created last time, how many rows was inserted. And below that, we have the metadata of the table counts, and which is very useful if you work with many tables frequently. If I want to see the SQL query that compile to create this customers model, then you can go to the code tab and to view the SQL statement. Now, the other thing I want to show you is, let me terminate this operation. If we look at the documentation URL, so right now I'm using port number 8080, which is the default. If I want to change the port number, I can insert the port argument. So I can type -- port followed by the port number. Unless I want to use port number 1111, enter. And it's going to launch the documentation sites. And this time the documentation is created at port number 1111. So this is going to be everything I'm going to share in this video. And hopefully you guys find this video useful. And don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.